Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that like button, turn on notifications, don't forget to subscribe. Now me and my mum are making gnocchi. And mum's cutting hers up because she's way ahead of me. I'm still rolling. I've got flour everywhere on the table.
What do we put in it?
Egg.
3 egg yolks.
3 egg yolks. So we have to leave
3 egg yolks and
the white part out of it. So we have to put the egg yolk only in.
500 grams of ricotta.
And
1 cup of flour. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. And 3/4 of a cup of grated parmesan. These are not potato gnocchi, the traditional ones. These are slightly different. And much easier and quicker.
Okay. To try the recipe at home.
Let us know what you think.
Yep. So we'll see, guys, when I am up to cutting because I'm taking forever. Yeah. Goodbye. Now I'm up to cutting. I'm actually on my second one. Mum had to do the other one because it had too much flour in it. So now we're just cutting it. As you can see, we've done all of this stuff.
Cut my head off, but that's okay.
Doesn't matter.
Not too small, bud. Not too small.
Right, is that good?
Like, yep.
Okay. I'm brand new to this. I've never done it, so Mum's just helping me out. It's harder than it looks. I was going
You don't need to cut. Just push it down. No, just press it down.
Oh.
And pull it away.
Oh, that's weird. That one's really small. And Mum's rolling hers, champion. How is this? What's this second?
Not too big, Italian.
So what's this? Your third, fourth, second time doing this?
Third. Or second time doing ricotta ones, third time doing gnocchi.
Okay.
Don't usually do gnocchi. Okay,
We normally just have normal. Is that? No, I just heard that. So we normally just have normal pasta. We don't really
do gnocchi.
do gnocchi. Only when we're bored we mostly do it. Which is quarantine, so basically find something to do and do it. Because it can be really easy or really difficult. Hot task. I think that's what it's called. Sometimes in school, if it's a tricky task, we call it hot task or focus task. So right now, I'm trying to roll it, and last time it went not good. Okay. We are now finished. Mum's cleaning up, and I'll help her clean up in a minute. I'm showing you guys this. So we've done the gnocchi, and there's a lot for our family. It's plenty for our family, but if you have like a bigger family, you might want to double it.
Triple.
Yeah.
At least.
Yeah, this is enough for our family. There's 5 people, but Layla's having a sleepover. Is that correct?
And then you and Dad already, so there's plenty for you guys.
Yeah. Now we are putting them in a tray, aren't we?
Yeah. So not quite ready to boil them yet.
Not quite ready, but...
Okay, you can do this.
Oh, okay. So, they need to be spaced out.
Just put them like this. Just chuck them in.
Okay. So just putting them in, I will show you in a minute once we are done. Another tray because there wasn't enough in the other tray, but let me show you the gnocchi that we are going to boil soon, not right this minute. Okay, so that's the gnocchi. Mum sprinkled some flour on it, and that's Mum putting them in the tray again, as you can see. Putting some powder on them now, or not powder, but flour, and show them that. So I think there's kind of a little bit more of the gnocchi in that second last tray. just because we didn't want to put it in another tray because there's only a little amount left. So right now, and I'm just going to show you what I mean by in only the yolk. So you know this yellow, okay, I've got to do this. You know this yellow thing?
So the yellow part is the yolk, and that goes into the mixture.
As you saw, I spilt the egg yolk, but it's fine. We're cleaning it up right now. And I'm just vacuuming because there's flour on the floor from when we were...
You're getting water.
Where?
Stuff in here.
So I will see you when we have cleaned everything up now. You can not realise that there was anything on the table. Mum's over there trying to figure out something. And we have the boiling water right here. And then the gnocchi that we've done right here. And we're going to boil them soon, but why we don't... I'm going to take a little snack, get myself some water and the bagel that I have in the fridge. So we'll see you then. My bagel now. Is it? We're going to get bagel and some water. Because I'm really thirsty. I'm going to eat my bagel. Well, probably a little bit. Drink my water and I will see you then. I'm not finished, as you can see over there. I'm still eating. My mum is boiling the water. That's it. Mum, do you have any words to say to these precious people?
You love me, dude.
Okay. So, boiling the water. As you can hear. And the fire. That's hot fire. I better get away from that. So we've got everything here. Simply sit now.
Not on me.
See you for popcorn.
Old school style.
Yeah, old school style. Yeah, it's a little bit of a tongue twister, but okay. So basically, you plug it in here. You've got the popcorn right there. So wait a minute.
She'll
You pop the popcorn in there and you put the bowl there. Popcorn comes out of there. Popcorn, the water, the boiling water, and mostly I'm gnocchi. Oh, delicious, delicious. That's the popcorn, guys, and it's popping. And we're trying to get it pop, and then it's gonna go in there. Watch it. Popping now. Coming out. Oh. Awesome. We got popcorn. Good goods.
Where's the Instagram, dude?
What?
Where's the Instagram?
I can smell the popcorn. Hey guys, say hi. Say hi, superstars.
Put it on Instagram.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Oh, Mia. Edie wants to wash
It
your
needs salt. It needs salt though.
hands. Salt. Mia, you show you do it and it's There's loads of salt on it, bud.
Okay.
So it's fresh.
And it's fresh and it's from home, so that's even better instead of from the shops. Sometimes the shops can be better, but mostly I like homemade better. The ultimate time, I think. Better not drop my iPad.
A bit of a process, this one.
Yeah. So now we are just putting the gnocchi into the boiling water. Be careful, Mum. Ouch. Does that hurt you?
When you get it on you, yes, a little bit. It's hot. Yeah.
I sometimes ask my nonno, he's cooking the barbecue. I would ask him, how is your hand not hurting? And he says, because I pop them down really quick. Because you know when a barbecue warms up really fast and you're putting sausages or steak down,
Okay.
it's really hot when you go to put it down because the heat's burning up. Now, are they nearly ready? Because they're floating up the top. So when they float up the top, that nearly means they're nearly ready. So we'll just wait a couple of more minutes and then maybe they'll be ready and we'll give it a taste test. Mia and Edie.
Do you want a little bit of
Mia.
tomato?
Yeah, I'll have some. Mia, Edie. Let's have some popcorn because I want some because it's homemade. Popcorn. I'm going to try the pasta because I'm pretty sure it's ready. Not ready, but near-ish. Wait, what? Here are the cooked ones. Mmm, they look delicious. Do we have sauce?
Sure do.
Okay. So the sauce is right here.
Some of it little.
Yeah, but we have to be careful because it's very hot.
Sauce Mum made a couple of days ago.
Wait, when did you make it?
A couple of days ago.
Mum made this sauce a couple of days ago.
I always make enough for another batch.
There's so does Nonna Maria and Nonna Flicky.
I think most Italians do, mate.
I don't think you can smell it, but maybe you can smell it because you're thinking about it. But of it, I'm smelling it. It smells wonderful. You guys, I did my first singing lessons online today, didn't I, Mum?
Yep. You know it's got nothing to do with the video.
Yeah, I know. I just wanted to tell them. Got nothing to do with the video. Something random. It's only me and Dad, so yeah. Basically big bowls.
You just had half a bagel.
Yeah, I
You're having
know.
a little bit.
Bagel, so I'm gonna have a little bit. Looks so good. This kitchen smells heaven. Smells like heaven.
Divine.
What does that mean? Divine.
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 Divine is like heavenly. It's like divine.
Yummy,
Luxurious.
luscious. Sorry. See, when I got the bowl, I'm going to taste it. We're both going to taste it. Do this.
Okay, go.
Okay. Mmm.
Very good.
That is so good. Yummy. That was awesome. Okay. Try this at home because it's awesome. I love this. My dad, his, and it's made especially by me. I liked it. I like it. This is the best. So do it at home. And that's the end of our day. See you guys.